5, Jay. KU5, can you ascertain if the apprehension team is under you? Apprehension team on the air, Jay? 301 to 332. All units 10-6-1. 301 direct to repaired. No 4. Fire up direct, Central. All units 10-6. Yeah, we're going to be stuck up here for a while. We're not going to be able to run over there for you.
Is there a problem, officer?
Not yet. Put your keys on the dashboard. Put your hands on the wheel. What do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beers. Wow. That's impressive. We call that a DUI around here. Drink all those by yourself?
No, sir.
Are you under the influence?
No, I'm not, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Well, who did drink?
A friend had a couple beers. I dropped him off about 2 miles down the road.
Oh, your friend.
Yes, sir.
Oh, your friend, I remember him. All right. License and registration. Nice and slow.
945 again. Unit, are you?
Take it easy. Put your hands back up where I can see it.
496, you trying to raise us?
Yeah. Yeah, could I get a license check on A 58 53 79 23. Step out of the car.
Officer, is there a problem?
Step out of the car, nice and slow.
Yes, sir.
Face me. Hands behind your head. Is there anything in the vehicle that I should be aware of?
No, sir.
Weapon?
No, sir.
Drugs?
No, sir.
What's in the bags?
Close, sir.
Where are you going?
Vegas.
Vegas. What's in Vegas?
Gonna do some gambling with some friends.
What's in the icebox?
Some sodas and some water.
What the fuck?
Officer,
What
it's not
the
what you
fuck is
think.
that?
It's not what you think,
What is it?
officer.
What the
How can
fuck
I
is it?
explain?
Tell me!
It's not what you think.
Walk towards the car.
It's not what you
Walk
think.
towards the car. Put your hands on the car.
It's not what you think, officer.
Don't you dare move.
F5. Traffic base on the air. On the air.